This because there's serious weather now. It's starting to head this way. As I was saying yesterday and a few days ago, the heaviest rain would be over late into the evening, overnight into the morning hours. Our current temperatures in the upper 50s, so it's comfortable, but you can see the rain started this morning about 10, 11 o'clock in some areas in earnest. And so far, Central Park has only picked up less than a half inch, New Jersey less than a half inch, but Kennedy on Long Island, JFK 1 inch, that's already a record for them, and Bridgeport, Connecticut is already clocked in with 1.25 inches, and that means a record for today already. And this is nothing though. The big rain is still to the south of us. As you look at the radar, the light green indicating light rain from the Bronx, Brooklyn, Staten Island, Queens, Manhattan. Over to Jersey, the heaviest rain I can find at this hour in Jersey right now is towards White Meadow Lake and Morris Plains. Yellows. Strong updrafts, downdrafts, causing local ponding on the roads. We had some of that in Brooklyn, but Brooklyn's okay for right now, but more rain is headed to Brooklyn within the next several hours because, as you see, the rain is moving from the southwest to the northeast. I give you a bigger, expanded view, and it looks like Philadelphia is the end of the rain, right? Well, if you're looking at the TV with me, which you should be, then look down south. You see the rain in D.C.? That's thunderstorms. This is the beginning of the really heavy rain. It's 200 miles away. The storm is moving at about 40 miles an hour. If you calculate that out, this should be here by 10 to midnight, right on the money for talking about the heavy rain late tonight, overnight into the morning hours. So the rain futurecast will bear this out. Tonight at 7 o'clock, we're still seeing moderate rainfall. By 8 o'clock, heavier rain towards Jersey, heavy rain towards Connecticut and Long Island. This is at 9:30. Now the red's popping up over a good section of the boroughs into New Jersey, through Long Island, as well as Westchester in Connecticut. So 10 o'clock, the same situation. Heavy downpours possible. And as I said last night, I said most of the heavy rain probably will be either when you're in bed or in the house. That's the good news with this storm because it's going to go into about 4 or 5 in the morning, and then it should start to clear out. The question is, do we see any snowflakes as the low tries to eject, bringing colder air in? This model says there could be a slight chance of some flakes flying between 7 to 9 tomorrow morning, but not a big deal, not measurable snow. This model has actually gone down. Yesterday it was showing almost 4 inches of rain. Now this model is showing 2 inches of rain to the boroughs, but look at Long Island. That's the bullseye. Connecticut, bullseye. 3 to 5, if not 6 inches of rain. That's what the National Weather Service believes, and I think that's possible. High wind warning for Suffolk County on Long Island, wind advisory for Nassau. Basically means you're going to see some high winds. It's going to take down some power lines and trees. And the winds are going to be everywhere in the tri-state. So I can't rule out some trees going down across most of the tri-state. Once the front pushes off the coast with that low, colder air starts to sneak in behind, and that's going to take our temperature down. So tomorrow, let's say tomorrow the afternoon high of 43 will feel like 34 degrees. But by Tuesday morning, even colder. Wind chill of 17. Think about this. It's 58 degrees right now, and I'm talking about a wind chill of 17 by Tuesday morning. Basically the same on Wednesday morning, and the teens to the low 20s, so much colder air behind this system. 56, we're there, and then tomorrow temperatures dropping, but we got a lot of rain to go through, John. We're just getting started, my friend.